This video is by request from one of my subscribers, Aninda. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. I'm going to show you how to do a circle join on a flat Tapestry Crochet round disc, so stay tuned. Hi, my name is Sandy Marie. I'm the owner of Crochet Fiber Art. My focus is on Tapestry Crochet. I'm sharing reviews, tips, and techniques to make your crochet life easier. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. At any time during this video, you can check out the links and show notes in the YouTube description below. Now, one of my subscribers asked to see a circle join done on a flat, round tapestry crochet disc. So here's a quick video where I can show you. So let's get started.
First of all, I've had a lot of people ask me, where is the last stitch that I actually crochet into to finish off the circle? And it is a little bit difficult to see. This last stitch here kind of falls over the top of the other rows. It leans, and this here is actually the last stitch. So you're doing back loop, so you would still pick up the top of that loop right there. So let's go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to show you a circle join with a little bit more real estate done here. So pick up my white, and show you here crocheting into that last stitch. So here you go, and that right there finishes the round. So the circle join, you pull up the loop, make sure all of your yarn is behind your work. This is the stitch here. Now I want to show you something here. You see this tiny little, I don't know, I'm going to say thread that's here at the bottom of this. This actually shows you where the first loop is. Now, if you do have a hard time finding it, you can of course just go to your graph and count stitches in order to find it. In other words, this would be 4 stitches. You would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this last one here is part of the increase. So you're going to crochet into it from the front to the back. Let me just show you here, front to back. And let me pull my yarn back to the back. You insert your hook from the front to the back. Then you enlarge the stitch. Trying to think of another word that's a little bit better than abuse. Pull your hook out and go from the back to the front. Now this is where you're actually going to do the circle join. So you would bring that loop over, tighten it. Now you want to bring it really, really tight to begin with. So just hold that thread very tight, because you want to catch the bottom loop right there. So you would catch it, bring it to the back, and then immediately let go of your tension. And that finishes the circle join.
Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, check out the show notes and links in the YouTube description below. There's always a lot of helpful information down there. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, make it an awesome day.